Let's vlog a little bit. T2. We're at the yard. I should have started this earlier. Got a few things we're working on right now, ladies and gents. Yeah. New bumper. Intro. Saturday, brother. Here at Al-Amin. You hear me? With cousin. Maury, get through the box, boy. That's the best day cab. That's one of my favorite trucks too that we have. Get through the box there, boy. Yeah, we're just chilling today. Maintenance day, had a few things we had to work on. Dang, that thing. Look at him, going through all that dust. Ah! Big ride. Big ride, big ride, big ride. Drive around the yard. That thing sound good too. Picking up all that dust, my boy. Where you backing it up at? Closing. Alright. You got your bag in the hole? I know. You already know. He said, why you go through all the rocks? Yep. Goosey. I already knew my dad was going to say something. He going through the rocks. Jamari! I'm gonna tell him right when he backs in there. Pull it back out. He know what he doing though. You hear that thing? Nasty. Goose it. Always goose it there, brother. That's the setup. Walking it in there. Goose it. One day I'm gonna do a vlog in this truck. Goose it. Jockey. We got 4 new wagons. Big wagons, brother. Black Crow. Sand pit. I don't know if my uncle named the the big bunk yet. Big ride.
What are you on? I don't give it nothing.
Over this way. To you, Bryson. Hold up. Back to you, Tariq. Raise it up just a touch. Raise it up, Tariq. Oh, a little bit. Oh, right there. Let it down just a touch. Yep. Raise it up, Bryson. Raise it up. Huh? Hold on.
Want a new bumper? First and gets it. Want that bumper? Let me know. Starting off at $5,000. I'm gonna get rid of it. There's more. How much we should sell it for? Five what? $5
$5.
He said $5.
$5. Sell it to it for the low.
Right here. Put that other one on the back of the
At
other.
least I didn't say the free skis.
Right. Got the big house on wheels. Uncle Way getting ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, my loose one. Yeah, put out. You know what I do to make it noise?
What?
I put out. One of the holes, rubber hose, cut a half. Yeah, put it inside. That means no make a vibration. Let that make a noise. With that vibration, you can lose all the neck.
What you got to say to the camera, Uncle Enrique? This is Uncle Enrique right here.
Well, go ahead again. I'll
You
go.
said do what?
Let me see. I don't know how long we gonna be like that. It can be a day or a month, maybe a year. You go in the front of the bumper.
Oh, you
now.
don't know how long the bumper gonna last? He said maybe a day.
Funny.
Money make it. Huh? No, I don't money. You're the money maker.
No, that's you.
You're Hollywood style.
That's you. You driving a house on wheels. You don't even gotta leave.
Where? Just like that. Under here. Take the slide over. Between it.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Is that a zip tie? Good enough. Good enough. Snap that off. Slide the bolt out. Now put the nuts in there. Yeah, with your fingers. Not on top. Underneath that. Those are the, put them on there. Put the faces. All three up. Huh?
Straight up. Do this hole?
All three. Put all three of them nuts on there.
Oh, all three of them.
Got it up. Just hold the bolt all the way up so I can put the nut on it. Watch your hand. Push it on up in.